Good afternoon, traders. We just did the dollar index. Now we're going to do the euro long term to give you a view. Same thing here. The reason I got the low there is because we wanted to break the low. So we've got this correction here. We've got that correction there. We've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. We've got that up. This 1, 2, 3 contracting flat. We broke the low. These are impulsive moves. These are mostly corrective moves when you see them like that. So this just needs to finish what it's doing, and then we'll look for upside. Just like the dollar index, finish what it's doing, look for downside. But any turn here would become a buy setup. So you'll go on the 4-hour, and you will look to see if this is turning. And right now, that upside is not turning yet. All that tells us is that we're pulling back. We've had many of those pullback, right? We've had this pullback, we've had that pullback, this pullback, and we're just pulling back. For now, we'll treat it as just pulling back to the top, which means it can drop more. But any buy setup we get, we should take it. And that is why there's a buy setup in this euro that you should have been in this trade already. So in the 1 hour, the first buy setup you had was this one. The second buy setup was this one. If you close and re-enter, there's another buy setup you can put there, right? If you did close the trade by rule, in our case, you would have closed that trade. You can re-enter at the top there. If you didn't, then wait for a flag, which means if you never took the trade before, you don't want to take it now. You want to wait for a flag. You want to wait for this to make a consolidation here, more of a flag or a flat, and then you go with that trade up. What if it's going to drop lower? Well, then if it's going to drop lower and you assume that you're making, a correction like this or so, at some point, this will start to make, see all these corrections here, corrections. It will make a correction. It will go make a correction, go make a correction, and then it will reverse, make a correction, you start selling. Pretty simple. Just keep it as simple as that, right? Now, you can trade this on the 4-hour, on the daily, on the 1 hour. I always assume the 1 hour is the safest place if you're a day trader. 4-hour if you're working, daily if you're an investment trader. Let's wait and see. Each one will have its own setup for you to go with. So right now, wait for a 1 hour flag, take the trade. It's not there as yet. Even if you miss this and you miss this, wait for another consolidation. You will get a lot of them. Look, for example, this flag. Look, this one, there's a flag there, there's a flag. Look at the upside, pull back, pull back, pull back. All those are buy setups. So wait for the similar thing. This one will pull back deeper at some point. Maybe somewhere midweek, you'll get a deeper pullback, and that would be your first entry if you're not. If you're taking the smaller entries to the upside, you're getting in and getting out, closing the trades, right? If you follow us, you will get weekly update. And if you join the installment program, you're going to get daily update twice. So I'm going to leave it there. Trade with care. These are just for analytical purpose. They're not trading. We're not making trade calls here. We're showing you how we think what the long term is, and with the long term view in mind, how we would trade it in one direction. Right? Take care. Trade with care. Bye.